The Leaves Company presents About the Company. Hello, my name is Ilona Kiel. Today I'd like to introduce you to the company Hungaro Leaves Ltd. And its products. Hungaro Leaves Ltd. is a Hungarian company which produces a unique product that helps improve the immune system and cleans the body. This box includes liquid apple pectin and balsam. The company's headquarters is located in Andrássy Street, Budapest, Hungary. The product is also manufactured in the country. The uniqueness of this product lies in the use of natural raw materials for its production. Thanks to the production technology of the company, liquid pectin is extracted from dry apple pulp and skin. Liquid apple pectin has very useful properties, improves the immune system, cleans vessels, and helps to lose weight. Every pack includes liquid pectin and balsam use for up to 30 days. You can order the production on the website of the company, leaveseu.com. For this, you need to register, order the product, and pay for it. The product will be sent to you by email, and since you receive it, you will start to improve your body and health. Order a health pack of lives and live a healthy life.